Are you tired of forgetting to send important emails at the right time? You write something up, you mean to send it, but then life happens and it goes out way too late. Or maybe you are working late at night and you don't want to disturb your team. Learn how to schedule them in Yahoo Mail in under a minute. Seriously, it is a game changer. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the Yahoo Mail interface step by step. I'll show you exactly where to click to schedule any email. Just follow these simple steps and you will have your message queued up and ready to fly out the door at the perfect time. Alright, the very first thing you need to do is sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. So fire up your browser, head over to mail.yahoo.com, and log in with your credentials. Once you are on your main inbox screen, we can get started. Now go ahead and click the big Compose button. It is usually over on the left-hand side of the screen, right near the top. It is a pretty obvious button, you cannot miss it. This will open up a new email window, just like you are used to. In that new window, you are going to fill in the basics. Type in the recipient's email address in the To field, then add a subject line that tells them what this is about, and then write out your message in the main body area. Take your time here, get everything just right. Once that is all written, do not click the regular send button just yet. We are going to do something a little different, and here is the important part. Look over near the blue send button. You will notice there is a tiny little arrow right next to it, kind of pointing down. Go ahead and click that arrow. This is the secret door to the scheduling feature. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you are going to select the option that says Send Later. It is pretty straightforward. Once you click that, a scheduling window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. So now you get to pick exactly when you want this email to go out. You can choose a specific date from the calendar and then set the exact time using the drop-down menus. Maybe you want it to go out at 9 in the morning right when your boss is checking their inbox. Or perhaps you want it to land at 2 in the afternoon. Pick a time that works for you. Just double-check that you have got the right day and the right time, especially if you are scheduling something for early in the morning. It is easy to accidentally set it for AM when you meant PM. Once you are happy with your date and time, just click the Confirm button or the Schedule button depending on your screen. And that is it. You are done. Your email is now officially scheduled. Yahoo will take it from here and send it out automatically at the exact moment you picked. You can close your browser, step away, and not worry about a thing. I have tested this feature quite a bit myself, and it works really well. It is incredibly handy for managing different time zones or just getting your communication out of the way so you can focus on other things. So there you have it. You are no longer tied to your desk. You can draft an email whenever you want and have it delivered at the perfect time. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.